So thank you for waiting. Finally, it's ready. So you can unzip your project and you can load it into the Unity. The version I'm using is 6310F1. And then you can connect the headset. And then what you can do is you can click play. The thing which is called again. And if you play, you'll see that everything is already configured. Um, Here, I can see my view. I can readjust the position. I can reset the view. And finally, my hands should be in. So here in the Unity, you can see your hands moving in the scene. And I have already included some interactive demos so that you can use. So we can adjust the table a little bit. So we can adjust the table a little bit. There should be the numpad. There should be the interactable object. You can interact in reality, and you can also interact from quite afar. You can scroll the UI. This should you should be able to use it in some of the games. You can. There are multiple ways of using UIs like progress bars, clickable buttons, and so on. And you can press and so on. Yeah. And mixed reality is already in the mixed reality and the pass-through is already implemented. So yeah, I hope this will be helpful as an example. And I think it's pretty responsive. Yeah. So so just before you so the when you load and when you run the application, make sure that the OpenXR runtime is enabled here. Everything should be included. And let me know if you need any help. Yeah.